Hello and welcome back to Stef le Chef. Today au menu, fish pie. This dish was likely to be created in early 1600 for Lent using fish scraps. To do that, you need some fresh fish, smoked fish or seafood. Today I've got 3 of them, which is poached in the milk that will be used to make the white sauce. The topping is mashed potato, and sometimes this dish is referred as fisherman pie. So let's get cracking. So to make the fish pie, we need some mashed potato. So mashed potato, peel the potato as you usually do. Nasty bit off. In water with a little pinch of salt. Bring it to the boil and cook it for about 20 minutes. So after 20 minutes the potatoes are ready. Just to make sure, just cut them in half. You don't want them too hard and you don't want them too soft, otherwise they are very watery. That's about right. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna drain them and we're gonna make the mash. Potatoes are drained, goes back in the same pot that we cooked them in. A little black pepper, a little pinch of salt. I like to add some crème fraîche to it, so a couple of spoons to start with, and let's mash. Some people might use butter or some little milk, but crème fraîche is my favorite. Right, mashed potato done. Just reserve it now. So today for my fish pie, fish selection wise, I've got some cod, I've got some smoked haddock, and I've got some hake, and I've got some cooked prawns. Obviously if you got raw king prawns, you're gonna cook them with the fish, which I'm gonna show you in a minute, but this one I won't cook them. Okay, cut your fish about that size, all in the pan. To that I'm gonna have a couple of bay leaves, some shallots or onions. Today I'm gonna use 1 shallot and half of an onion, finely chopped. There it goes. Also a couple of splash of white wine and some milk. Also a little black pepper. Just legalize the mixture. We're gonna bring it to the boil and we're gonna simmer it for about 6 minutes. At that stage, preheat your oven at 200 degrees Celsius, fan. So after bringing the fish to the boil and simmer it for 6 minutes, just a slotted spoon and carefully take the fish out of the milk. Get rid of this. You don't need that anymore. Next, your fish's been drained from the milk, just add it to your gratin dish, as so. Just put the prawns on top of it, like so. Now the poaching liquid, which is milk in that instance, need to be reserved because we're gonna need it for the bechamel. There we go. So next stage, we're gonna make a nice creamy bechamel to go on top of this mix of this fish mixture. One note, I will always put on description the amount that I'm using on the videos. So bechamel, butter, equal quantity of butter and flour in that instance. 50 grams, a little nutmeg, the poaching liqueur, and a little double cream. Butter first. Butter is boiling now. We add the flour to make a roux. As you can see, the flour is cooking now. And slowly at the time, we're adding the poaching liqueur to avoid making lumps. Okay. Nice and smooth, we're gonna Cook it for 2 minutes. A little grounded nutmeg goes into it. And to make it richer, I'm gonna add a little double cream. I also like to add a little lemon juice to bring a little zest to it. That's it. Sauce is done. All you need to do now is pour it over the fish. Next stage, we put the mashed potato on the top. You can be creative at that stage. You can pipe it, you can put the whole mash and mark it. I like to do it with quenelle, hot water. Quenelle your mash, roughly so. Need those one, I'm afraid, to do that kind of stuff. Last two goes in. Next and last stage before it goes into the oven, I've got some Gruyere cheese. You can use cheddar, Comté, whatever cheese you want. I've got some Panko breadcrumb here, which I add to it. I've got a bit of Parmesan in it. And I've got a bit of chopped parsley for color. We mixed all this. You can use a spoon if you want. Optional. Spoon is optional. And we just top this. Lovely. A bit more Parmesan. There we go. In the oven for 45 to 50 minutes, 200 degrees or until golden. So after 45 to 50 minutes in the oven, and it comes nice and bubbly and golden. Whoa, look at this. Oops. Nice and creamy. Look at this. Look at that. To go with that, a little green vegetables, and of course a glass of white wine. To go with that, I suggest a nice Sauvignon Blanc. Now, Stef Chef fish fry. There you have it in the plate. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. That'll be ace. And thank you for watching. Stef Chef. See you soon!